someone all fire 777. 777. Yeah. I know, I go already. Yep, we're out here. Yeah. So I didn't work today. Yeah, so I'm gonna head on the road now. Cause I plan to do a little cooking same way. So I'm gonna go on the road right about now. Yes, and jelly I get big. But in the pit none. So guess what I'm gonna do? I'm done. I'm gonna come back on the road, a fire road, and pick off most of them. Yeah. But they're not trouble them. So they are there just for me. Yes, peeps. Cause I love jelly water. Actually, if I have jelly water, I don't need no juice. I love it jelly water. Natural alkaline water. And so I put some pine. But I need a bigger pot than this. Put some pine in it and things. So I get a bigger pot. But you know I can grow in this. And you know, yeah. So peeps. So I think I'm gonna go on the road and get a bag of coal. So you know, when you see title, you don't know how you go already outdoor cooking, Jamaican style. Yep, that is it. So yes, peeps, and I have to have my shades. Actually, it's hard when you go up on the road too bright for me. I sun bright. Gosh, you go and jump off in the water. Apparently, and believes the mega come there so. Yeah, jump off in the water, you must swim across. Go across, can't zoom up if you see him. You must swim across. You swim fast too, you see? Whenever they are troubling still. Oh boy. Yeah, chuck off in the water quick. So yes, peeps. Little chicken have foul of a little chicken. Oh, no mangoes over there. So yes, peeps, I'm gonna go on the road and get some coal. So I'm gonna take one with me and get a bag of coal now. Yeah. Show you what kind of coal we use here and how the coal look. So stick and stay with me. I'm gonna from morning come out the side of the yard. From morning when I come out here, so yeah, there ain't no fall early this morning also. Yeah. So I miss someone that's more no, I just go to not the supermarket, I just go to the corner store and grab me some little stuff. But the main thing I want is the main thing I want is the bag of coal, and I go blend one coconut to use. I'm going to see what I'm going to do. I'm going to do blend one coconut, and I pick some meringue also. Meringue leaf, meringue tree up and running again. So I'm going to wait until I have flu this time again before I start use medicine. I'll get it long before. And I say, peeps, I say prevention is better than cure. Yeah. Just stick and stay with me, peeps. As I run go grab them few little items there. Yeah. Few little items I fish from one. I have onion, I have carrot, I have sweet pepper, I have hot pepper. Seasoning. So I guess I only need the coal, the bag of coal. I think I need nothing else. I don't think I need anything else. Yeah, babes. So it's my first time going on the road from morning, babes. And it's like after 3 now. So I only eat one time from morning. Yeah, so I watch my winter body. I saw winter. So I eat 2 times a day. Yeah. So I get some coal now. Yep. Let's see on the road. Right there in the public bus. Oh, a youth tell me say I'm gonna go look fish today or tomorrow and say I get fish. One of my brother I buy fish from. Boat over in yard, so I'm not go fishing. Or probably go early this morning. Possibly I can go early this morning and come back early still. But if anything, he will call me. say he's a brother who love fish. Yeah, so I'll grab one bag of coal. Alright, yes, so yeah, I'm gonna grab a bag of coal, peeps. And this is the thing with Cayman, peeps. Look here. I'm gonna park the vehicle right here. And I'm not even key night same way. I'm not wind up. No window or nothing. Same way I'm left here. And nobody not trouble it. This is how safe it is in Cayman. Cause a matter of fact, here so you have camera all over. So nobody not trouble your vehicle. So stick and stay with me. I'll grab a lot of coal. Yeah. Yeah, so I'm saying so I have to get back of coal again. Haven't said peeps. Just not too long. Get up. Yeah. So let me get a bag of coal. Coal there again. Where's the coal again there? Hello? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Where's the coal again?
Coal?
Coal.
Huh?
Charcoal.
Charcoal right there.
Okay, thank you. Oh yeah. Yes, peeps. So I'm gonna grab one bag. Let me see. I'm gonna look a bag at enough, peeps. I'm gonna go to the supermarket because this is not gonna be enough. And I never plan to get smoke up. Just gonna grab 2 bags then. Yeah, this is it. Charcoal. Rich coal. Yes, I'm gonna have to grab 2 bags. Just light and dark. 2 different brands. Now let's buy this one. Bucket here. So I'm gonna grab 2 bags. So 2 bags. I think I'm gonna grab 2 bags. How much else do I want again? I don't recall what else I want. So I think I'll just gonna record this alone, peeps. Yeah.
Because he was born in India but raised in US.
Stick and stay. I'm gonna I'm out here getting some coal. I'm gonna try to remember what else I want, but I can't remember. I don't want to take anything else.
Trending right now.
Yeah. So I'm waiting to get cash. Yeah. And you hear copyright music playing in the background, but I got cut off all of that. Yeah. So stick and stay. Don't know what it is. Huh? 21.
Alright, so
Thank you. Thank you. So yes, peeps, I got my coal. So let's go do some cooking now. Let's go do some cooking. Yeah. And peeps, the sun is so bright. I don't know, people work without shades because trust me, the sun is so bright, peeps. Wearing a shades is very, very necessary. It's very necessary, peeps, to wear shades. Yeah, so 2 bags of coal. Okay. I'm gonna put the coal on the seat, peeps. Real mad man, you know. If coal, if anything on the coal bag burst in the seat. That is so crazy of me. Yeah. So let's head back home. Yeah. Which is, the store isn't far from my house. From the apartment where I live. Let's say house, yes. From the apartment where I live. It's not far. I think this coal will go far away. Yeah. So yes, peeps, I'm gonna just put the fish towel out now because I didn't want to leave it. I don't like leave out food like that when I'm not there to monitor it, like even go leave my fish. I don't like that. I like to monitor my food. Yeah. Anything go into your belly, you shouldn't dare to monitor it. When you're cooking, you just leave it for other people to have access to it. I don't believe in that. So I reach back home, or actually almost reach back home. Almost reach back home. Yes, almost. And actually I didn't know what to do today, and I said, oh, okay, because I'm not going on the road to do no video. Yeah. So I haven't leave the yard. First time I leave the yard for a morning. Because that's how it goes sometimes. So I say, well, I have to be creative. Otherwise, I have to eat. Yeah. I gotta eat. Yeah. I gotta eat, folks. I gotta eat. I said, in two bag of cola now. Oh my God. Alright, so make sure walk with my chopper too, so we can chop it, jelly them. You know, peeps, stick and stay. So yes, peeps, come back from the store. So I get 2 coconut now, 2 jelly I should say. Chop them out. Yes, peeps. Jelly full of ants. Yeah, jelly tree full of ants, peeps. Yeah. But I get 1 bunch. Yeah. So I'm gonna chop it out now, peeps. Small bunch. Small bunch, but that's enough. That's enough for me alone. Yeah. That's enough for me alone, peeps. I'm gonna grab my jug. Yeah. So yes, peeps, I grab my jug. So yes peeps, this is what I get. I get me good amount of jelly water, see there? It's like 2 glasses, but that's enough for me. It's just me alone. So anyways, they can stay, take out the fish and put it out and then go and blend the coconut. They can stay and go away. So yes peeps, I'm gonna blend some coconut now. Just one little piece of coconut to use it. So finish cut it up and then blend it and use it in the fish. So I'm gonna see how that look. Stick and stay. So yes peeps, I'm going to season up the fish now. Let some season prepare. So now if you have callaloo, you can use callaloo or pak choy. So guess what now? I don't have callaloo nor pak choy. So it's a cross volume. Yeah, I don't have callaloo nor pak choy, so I'm gonna use merengue leaf. Yeah, so the right merengue tree, as I can see. The merengue tree, so I'm gonna pick some and use it. Yes peeps, this is good enough. I need no more than this. Yeah, and I'm pick a younger one them. Easier to deal with. So stick and stay. I'm gonna yes peeps. So a little piece of fish I have. Piece of barracuda. Yeah, so thaw out here now. So I'm gonna wash it off. Yeah. All of the debone, so it's easy to deal with. So I'm gonna season it up there now. So you're gonna see everything, you're gonna miss nothing. Yeah. So cut it up now and season it up. So thaw out enough. No, cut it too little now, it's too big. This. This is it. Now see me deal with it peeps, I deal with it. We'll keep this even. I'm going to love see me deal with it. I'm not going to try that one. So I get 5 pieces out of it. We got 5 pieces out of it. Or 5 pieces. 5 pieces out of it. So now, wash it off with some lime. Now wash my fish with lime. Real lime. Instead of vinegar, I like to use lime. So I want lime flavor on it too.
My picnic.
Love the lime
I
flavor.
love myself. Even.
Peeps, I love the lime flavor on it. So now, this is only a spot on the fish I'm gonna like. So I'm gonna cut it off and give 4 limit. So wash it off now, please. That is it. That is it. That is it. Yeah, so now don't have more. I'm going to season the fish first. So, I use a pumpkin noodle. Only season I use a pumpkin noodle. Our fish don't take a lot of season. So, I cut at it. Oh, make sure I say it's soaking in it. So, look more quick and fast. Just this. So look more quick and fast. So see there. Knife is sharp too. Knife is a fly trick, so yes. So because the fish and I roast it like I use the noodle with the noodle in it. Yeah. Let's keep so. That is it. That is it. Yes. I know so not some really one without this, but let's see. Yeah. That is it. You know. So I'm gonna leave some of the noodle. So now wash this already. I work here so if I light bright there so I still use the GoPro and outside I use the phone. So pick younger leaf them and cut off younger leaf them. Yeah. Cut up the like vegetable. This is how you deal with it, please. This is how you deal with the meringue. Cut up is small like callaloo or pork chow. Like when I work with this, yeah. Cut up like callaloo or pork chow. Quick and fast. Keeps quick and fast. See that? Yeah, that is it. This is keeps the leaf seems tougher. And it's much of the one ain't tough. So now I'm gonna cut it up. Cut it up like I cut on my high grade peeps. So you now see, cut it up like I cut up high grade. Yeah. Cut it up just like I'm cutting up the high grade. Yeah. But it's a high grade meringue. Like when I cut the peep, you can smell it. You have a very high smell, like, you know. You can tell it's a good beer. And if you don't know, you don't know. Meringue have more vitamin, more protein, more calcium, more iron than any one of them pill. Like, have more vitamin C than orange. Yeah. So it's very good to use. Very good to use. This deep, so it is a meringue. That is the meringue. So now I'm gonna put up some onion, no onion, some thyme. Some thyme and some sweet pepper. I'm going to try using it on fast peeps because guess what? I'm not even catch the fire yet. I'm not catch the fire yet. I'm going to cut it away. It's easy to beat out, like. I'm going to beat it out after. I'm not want anything, which is sweet pepper. Something I push out really still. thick tough part in it. Give me fine. Cut it up like I cut up high grade. Cut it up like when we used to cut up high grade. And then scrape the carrots. Yeah, you can't pass these. Anyway, peeps, stick and stay. When I don't cut up the seasoning, link on the back. So yes, peeps, this is the season now. Everything in this. So now, beat up everything together. Yeah. And then throw some more no blend out there. So everything I'll beat up now. Peeps, I'm gonna go up here. Go up the pot on the fly then, peeps. So, beat out this piece. Garlic and everything, the beat up completely. Yes, that is it. Beat up some more still. So time is against me. I'm gonna try to hurry it up. I'm trying to hurry it up. Yes. Make a Bacardi bun up another for night. Yes, peeps, so I get some file paper and deal with the thing now. Oh, sorry. I throw some coconut milk I use. I throw it tonight. Not all of it, but majority of it. Yeah. Stick on stay, peeps. I'm gonna. So yes, peeps. Just gonna mix up everything, you know. Yeah. So I can see everything good. So mix up the coconut milk with the seasoning. Yeah. Make sure it's very juicy. Yeah. And file paper now. I'll do it like this. Side it so I don't miss nothing. Yeah. File paper now. Do it like this. And I'll do it with a big piece neither. Yeah. And I'll fill it with a real big piece. I think I can put more than one fish on it. Yeah. So I'll still file paper. Yeah. Yeah. Do like that. The pips. Yeah. Juicy with the coconut milk in it. But it can be more juicy too. Yeah. Coconut milk. And you can smell the meringue piece. You like that. Yeah. Yeah. Go like the chips. Because it's all juicy. And eat like this. And eat like this. So the juice not escape. Eat like that. Oh, the smoke juice will escape it. Juicy. The juice to escape it. I don't want the juice to escape. The juice want to escape. Yeah. The juice want to escape it. So, I'm not going to put two in a one. No more. I'm going to put one in a eight. Put one in a eight. Save the phone because what did the phone if I get alright still it's like a problem with that again to get it fixed. Yes, see that? See there, yes. This is how I'm supposed to do it, peeps. I'm supposed to put the cider together like this. And then I put the cider together like this. So I'm going to do it around like a while. This is how I'm supposed to do it. Yeah. In order for the juice not escape, so I did that one wrong. Yeah, do it like this. Yeah. Do it like this. I'm gonna do so. So this rub together so. And then this rub together so. Yeah. Too much in that one, but I'm not put out the back. I bet you do one. Let me do one please. Like that. Yes. Like this. And then this down. So nothing not escape. Just like that. You throw it in and you easy to burst. That's the reason why I double it, because it's easy to burst. because it's thin. Could I even do it like this before we put this fish in it? So let's do it. Yeah. And then you see anything like this. But I want to last one, I'm going to do the last one too. I do it like this before we put the fish in it. Yeah. Put it like that. And then fish can go in there now, please. Can put the fish in there. And guess what I forgot, peeps? Guess what I forgot? By right, you put some cooking oil on it. A little bit of cooking oil so it doesn't stick. But I completely forgot. But hopefully, it doesn't stick so in the air fryer. Hopefully it don't stick to my peeps. So now just shows everything on this one. But that one is supposed to be extra juicy. I'm not waste nothing. Nothing now that's right. All of it like that. Get one second paper. Yeah. Bore it to your sharp. Stay with it quick and fast. And I steam it so then good. Anyhow, that's not the angle. I'll clean up this peeps, so stick and stay. Never know it. So yes peeps, now I catch fire. Fire time. Fire, come on everybody, it is fire time. I keep it on saying fire time, so let's see what I go on. No peeps, I'm sure what I go on. Yes so. Yep. So now I go on fire thing, yeah? Yeah. You can see clearly. Yes. But they might can work for a long time. I can use them. It's not even better now than my time. So open our unit. Clearly. Long time. smoke up. No, I'm here to smoke up. Sorry for smoke catcher here.
You're on up, you never bring up that day. You never bring up that day. Like it up, kind of 2 tips. Like it up, like one down. But if you get the cola low and use the cola low to catch the fire, now catch it now.
Put the whole coal bag in the fire, peeps. I'm putting the whole coal bag in the fire. I'm see something over here, so. Coconut up underneath here, so.
This is it, peeps. It's good.
Okay, try quick and fast. Mosquito in the bush. As soon as I go in the bush, mosquito then did it for you. Wait for him.
As soon as I go in the bush, they then did it away, peeps. Mosquito, yeah. Come on, if I big enough, we can roast the fish at the same time. Breadfruit, yeah. So, yeah, so I'm going. I don't like Uncle Paul neither. I'm not like the finger them black. Even though them cola not really that bad still. But them cola I don't know what I think. I'm different. So, if you can see it, I'm going to get 2 breadfruit them.
So yes, peeps, you get the breadfruit them now.
2 of them at that. And one almost completely ripe. So I guess it's go easier to roast. Yeah, and guess what happened again? It's yellow heart. So it's a yellow heart with peeps.
You know, yellow heart.
So you know it's not going to take a long time to roast. What we say? One of them almost completely ripe. Now when it turns, you know it have a nicer so. Yeah, I can yellow heart them. Just be quick and fast. That is it, babes. So let me see now. So I'm gonna do it like this now, babes.
Real Jamaican style. So now they are peeps. I'm giving you the bush style. I'm giving you the real bush style. See it there? Alright, I'm showing them how to do it this time. I'm giving you a real bush style. See it there? So this is not a drop. The breeze will blow hard peeps. I have to make sure I say not a drop.
My table.
stay peeps. You can see I'm gonna go for the dish with the fish, put on the same time too. See breadfruit them are going with themselves. Yeah. Breadfruit them are going away quick. You see it? Yeah. And the coal them a kick like Van Damme same way. Because me throw me and throw it first. So you see it's not around. Let's stick and stay. I'm going away. So yes peeps, you get the dish now with the fish then. Yeah. Yep. So if you don't see what going on, you don't see what going on clearly. You know? See the time now peeps. Or the fire too hot feet still. We're turning for a minute. No, fire too hot too much. Fire too much peeps. On the table. You know, I'm gonna do this now. Because them fish I need here. I roast the same time as the breadfruit them. And right about now the fire too high. Oh, now I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna draw away. Part type fire. Yeah. Away, yeah, like that. Draw a part type like that. Yeah. Put some of the coal sideways. The fish can go and roast. But the fish now we don't need too much fire because it will burn up. It will burn up. And the breadfruit will now roll away. What things are going on for? What things are going on for this? Let me see now with this now. Oh. What do I do? What I do is just get this board and do a carpet like so. Put the food in a roll. Yeah. This can serve two purpose. Yeah. Yes, that is it. Oh, fire. I'll put a pen fire this yet. Yes, peeps. Let's put more coal for now. Some more coal right there. The fish thing can go and roast. Things with the thing different too. That's all. Let's go to it. I don't just go with this. With some water. You can reuse it again. So now, this thing right that's like so. Like so. Then breadfruit fire coal up. This fire not clear thing. Not clear thing. Then say if I can't take the heat, get out of the kitchen. But then we don't want the fire too high. Put it underneath this. Underneath the fish, then we don't want it too high. Don't want it too high because I don't want to burn up the fish, don't want it to steam properly. Burn them. You're on in the butter that there.
kick now like one man too. Like so. So you go on with it. Now see the fire blaze up and I breadfruit and like so. Fire blaze on my fish then instead of breadfruit. As you say, you want the fish then to burn up. It's not the end. Wait till the coal burn out away. Then I need to sit in a keeps me try to get the fire under control. I'm so wicked boy to myself. Oh. I am a wicked young man to myself. Cruel to myself bad. Cruel to myself very badly. Alright. So that's right now calm down. Got the fish in this up. If the breeze blow hard, the fire doesn't kick. Through the breeze blow hard, the fire kick loose. You can give me fingers scorch up wickedly. Feel my finger is scorch. Well, I'm not really asleep. Oh, crap. You know, so I would have put the blaze and I didn't realize. I would itself a blaze. What a man maybe. So, the food I'm putting there a blaze. Let me say what a blaze so. Oh, babes. You can put in it a blaze. Give me. What a blaze so. Alright, babes. You can stay. Let's get this fire under control. So yes, peeps, I kinda have the fire under control now. Yes, and the fish in the roast at the same time. Yep. Yeah, fish the roast at the same time. You see, fish fire alright now. Oh, the piece here having 2 nights, so I keep getting more eat. It'll take longer. And now it look like we need a little bit more coal right there, so I burst the other bag of coal and put a little bit more right there, so just a bit more. Yeah. And this other bag of coal now. Oh, smoke peeps. Fire now, ram peeps. That fire, yeah? No. Here we go. Yes, we put them away, so the fish one can roast. That fire. Fish one can roast properly. So I'm doing the coal and just hold it out. Because I want to come and hold it. Peeps, that is it. Fire under control now. So all the fire have the fire under control. I don't know, I say one fire, all the fire. Yep, that is it. So stick and stay. I'm gonna say yes, peeps. Breadfruit and I'm gonna test them now. It's supposed to almost ready now. It's supposed to almost ready to take off. Wow. What we say? On a turn. almost ripe. Yeah, and a cola, trust me, I'm going to do cola all the time when I catch a fire. So just use some coconut ups first. Yeah, the trick I really work with fire catch quick. And cola. Yes. Oh. Yeah, just run out that fish like crazy babe. I know they're not ready yet still. I was going to take off the breadfruit and then I put them more on the fire. They need more heat. So the breadfruit are almost roast now. Still, let's show that one now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to move the breadfruit right now. And put the fish over more on the fire. At the same time, you have to be careful because you know, burn up the fish then. Yeah. Woo. Okay, I'm going to get to eat now. I'm going to get to eat now, babes. Woo. Yeah, I eat turn up underneath, you know. So everything must roast now. So I'm still going to touch a bit and I move it. I'm thinking of peeps when I hang the fire. So I couldn't really cook the cooking for a living because I can't manage to eat in the kitchen. I do it to myself and for friends and family, but to do it for a job, I love cooking, but also not permanently. I don't want to be in the kitchen permanently. You see it? Yeah. I don't want to be in the kitchen permanently. So anyway, peeps, stick and stay. I'm going away. You don't know? One fire, all the fire. And zoom in on my face. You're looking at my face. Zoom in more. Yeah. To me. Yeah. See me right now? Yes, this is me. This is the man, all the fire 777. And if it's a first time coming across the channel, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend, tell a friend. You get me I say? And to all our new subscribers, them, big up on yourself. And thanks for the support. Because you could be watching another channel, but you watch my channel. You get me I say? So I love and appreciate that. And remember, don't skip the ads. Because this is how I get a revenue. You get me I say? Yes, and don't skip the ads then. Just watch the ads then. Yes. Don't skip the ads then. Watch the ads. Yes. And remember, always remember, as you click on the video, just press the like button. You get me I say? Just press the like button. You don't have to enter your credit card information. Just press the like button. So, stick and stay. I'm going away. One fire. Yes, peeps. Let's check on the fish again. Check on the fish again. As I said, only for eat and eat here now. So, already know. Yeah, you must already know. It must already know. Oh. You know what? Real juicy. Woo. Juicy. The hips that eat ya. It's normal. That eat ya, not normal too. I tell you. That eat ya. Terrible. This fish is very nutritious. When I say nutritious, I mean real nutritious. Real nutritious fish. You have meringue in it. You have trust me, even meringue peeps, because you want to know with the meringue now. If you don't have callaloo, because normally you use callaloo or pak chow. But you don't have callaloo and pak chow. So you use the meringue, and the meringue is even more nutritious than the pak chow or the callaloo. Yeah, you know, meringue having whole heap of vitamin and calcium and mineral and all of that. Yeah, whole heap of opposite. Just coconut milk. No. Chips. So now they have to taste this. For all who can, you see the food there? All who can bend down and touch them toe. When you taste this, and it will drop, if it ever drops on your toe, just find yourself a bend down and lick out with your toe. Then I give you a Jamaican style, real Jamaican style.
You see everything on the table. See my table, yeah? This is my table. This is my table. This evening. I mean, you see me chop out some coconut earlier. Some jelly earlier. I have jelly as my juice. Real alkaline water. Yeah. What better than that? What better than that you can have it? You can't have it no better than that. Talk the truth. Talk truth. We are in the world nicer than the Caribbean. No way. No big city. That's why I'm telling you, say, peeps, I'm going to tag American Embassy and tell them, say, when I come down there, my visa, and just give me. Because I have no intention of running away in America. Because I love the Caribbean. Because I love real food. You get me I say? Because you don't know, your health is your wealth. So if you eat right, you will live longer. You get me I say? Yes. You can't have money and you're not healthy. That don't make no sense. So you have to eat right. And me believe in eating organic food. I don't believe in the whole processed food. You know what I say? Yeah, you can't really run away too much from the processed food, but you can avoid as much as possible. And in order to do that, you have to stay in the Caribbean. Because when you're overseas, them will tell you, say, this is organic and this is organic. When I lie, them I tell. You get me I say? So yes, peeps. Yes, I'm going to peel and breadfruit that shortly. Oh, I need another dish though. I'm going to peel and breadfruit that shortly. And then see what them fish are doing. Thing with them fish now, you have to just kind of judge it because based on it's not the snapper as we used to. Oh my god. That eat ya, no normal peeps. That eat ya, no normal. Terrible. Oh, tell the peeps, that eat ya no normal. But trust me, I love smell. When it just catching on fire, it smells so nice. I love it, smell it. I love to smell it. Because even this, that's really see a good while. Because, yeah, two in this, no rushing it. It's what time now? 5:31. So, 5:31. So I'm gonna give it until 5:40. Yeah. Then everything's supposed to roast properly. Spread the fire. Everything's supposed to roast properly. Everything's supposed to roast properly because heat underneath it. All it that heat underneath it. So shouldn't be a problem. Everything's supposed to roast properly. So no more heat than this. And the coal better heat than it. So hold it on. Heavy fire. Let's put on heavy fire and make it burn. So the coal better. Far better. Yeah. That is it. Yeah, see it so? You never peel the breadfruit them now. So let me get some napkin. Yeah, let me get some napkin and untowel I should say. Another dish. So stick and stay, not going away. So yes peeps. I'm going to peel the brush now. Brush here get peeled now. So if you not see everything. Yeah. That is it. So I have my untowel. I'm going to peel the brush now. AKA breadfruit. Let me tear this in my throat. I need all that much. Another one, a ripe one. Ripe one. Another one. Minimum version, a ripe one. Another one. Good, right.
not eat breadfruit when it's alright, okay? Roast breadfruit when it's alright. Jamaican is that thing. I love it away then. Comment and tell me if you don't love it. That's the way you don't love it, like me. When it's fried. Yeah. When it's alright. And if you not a breadfruit in a roast, the breadfruit in a roast. Can you believe that? Let me go. Breadfruit in a roast, babes. So guess what happened? Guess what happened, babes? Never because you're ripe, it takes longer to roast. Breadfruit in a roast after all, people. I first know breadfruit in a roast. First I roast breadfruit in a roast. It's a sign. No, it's great. Feel I want it to. This is, yeah. Alright. No, I'm afraid to feel I want it. Yes, see it. Breadfruit in a roast. And if I because it's ripe, you can still feel the inside of it. Inside of it. You can still see the ripe part. Breadfruit in a roast, babes. You never roast on breadfruit and no roast it. Babes. Try first. I say that first with everything. Try first. Wow. Babe, I've never roasted breadfruit. Some people that put that cut out this outside, and I edit out this. I'm not edit out this. I'm showing you something not perfect. I'm not going to show you and say, oh, you did it and it was so perfect. You know, I'm not edit it out. Nah, edit it out. So, see me, it's a roast breadfruit and a roast. Alright. Alright, one, I really want. No, I really want to eat the right one. I was more interested in the right one. Check the cold in from already. All in about deep. Just cut that in, so I don't think. Let's get the breadfruit skin and it's going to fry very right. If you know, say same thing come like I did something to it. But once I cut it, and then I go to breadfruit and roast. I've never seen this at peep. I've never seen this. I mean I want to fry breadfruit and roast breadfruit more. See that? No roast peep. The breadfruit, no roast. The breadfruit, no roast peep. I've never seen this before. Never happened to me. Roast breadfruit and a roast. Or send me a roast breadfruit and a roast. Alright? Have a roast more. Have a roast more. Have a roast more. Can you believe that, babes? Me roasting breadfruit and a roast. Look at the roast now. I wash out my hand. I hate and see the put on my hand. Breadfruit, no roast beef. Can you believe that? So listen, I give fish them at least 5 minutes more or so. That me I do. So, what am I going to do now? At least at the fire that's a fold and I got trouble it. So, I'm going to wash off the knife and wash off my hand. And come back. You know peeps, pick and stay. I'm going to me roast breadfruit and yes peeps, it's sharing time now. As you can see, I'm trying to pick up everything. I miss nothing. Yeah, everything to pick up. Yeah. So it's sharing time now. So kind of keep here. As I said, this is my table this evening. Yeah. Wow. Yes, yes. This is my table. This is my table, peeps. Whoa. So, let me see, should I break it? Yeah. I don't know about the right one. Right, the wrong one. Oh, let me check the card now. Sure. One of them? The card. Look at the tips. Roast breadfruit and things of breadfruit roast and breadfruit and roast. Can I believe that? Can you believe that? That's crazy. As I said, that never happened to me. Must be a sign. Like a breadfruit on the right. Like 5 pieces on the right. This. Yes, many fall them out here. Full joy, you know. Me and the fall them. Which cover which over there? They blow them tips. So, this is the tips. Send the picture. Wait, what's that second one? Yeah. And then, never happened to me yet. You know, what a life. This is it, peeps. This is it. Yeah. This is it. Make sure so now pick up it good. Jelly water turn over mother ball, you know. I would cry. I would cry, peeps. Seriously, mother ball. Yeah. See it, you know? Make a thumbnail. This is it. Yeah. Look at that. See fish? Well roasted, peeps. No, not a lie. So I am going to have a little seat right here. I'll turn the camera so you can see properly. So you can see me properly. I'm going to have a seat. Yeah. And eat. Fish. Come on, get this. It is come like at the same time the coconut juice and put in it, make it taste like rundown, so it's creamy on it. It is extremely nice. Trust me. And you put in water here. Have like an ice snack and put it in the freezer. It's fresh, but it's alright. It's 100% alkaline water. I just see 4 of them. Yeah, then I'm out here eating. Sorry, so I couldn't get a low one, so.
Anyway, peeps, you can stay. I'm going to link in the back when I'm done eat. So yes, peeps, just see, my plate is empty. My belly is full. My belly couldn't be fuller. Yeah. And I'm drinking my glass of jelly water. And for them having a blast. For them having a feast. And I have 3 left. Can't eat no more. Yeah, my belly full, can't eat no more. So that's it. Again, I throw all of give for them. Make all of them eat because they don't want to share. Yeah, they don't want to share. Yeah. All they don't want to share, people. So, you watch the video to the end, which I hope that you watch it to the end. Yes. It's another one. So, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend. About your man, all 5777. So, yes, peeps. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for watching. Big up on yourself. Enough love. Honestly, thank you all for watching. You know what I'm saying? So don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. One for that, all for that. Love what you do, do what you love, and do it today, get how you are doing it. You know what I'm saying? Oh. Nearly crashed the John, peeps. Nearly.